Farms on every corner, local markets, Amish who live and ride their buggies. So can you believe we're 45 minutes away from Washington, D.C.? The trail we're going to ride today is a bit unusual because the local Amish residents are permitted to bring their horses and buggies onto this trail, so we might run into some of them. Who knows? Where are we? Are you curious? Let's go riding! Oh, this is gorgeous. And now it's a hot day and the trees are here to shade us. Oh yeah, farm in the distance, beautiful clouds. Okay, right off the trail, there are historic springs called Ye Cool Springs. It makes me... Apparently the colonists in the 1700s came here to cure their illnesses, their plagues, their diseases by drinking the water. The water said to have special healing powers. But I do see a sign right now and it says, water not safe for drinking. We won't be drinking it. Built on the site of the first hospital in Maryland in 1700s. Yes, the 1700s, before anyone could say the word America. You know, the water is still coming up from the ground. So, I mean, that's pretty amazing. And we're in 2022. Let's see if we can go in. Oh, we can go in. All right, I'm not gonna drink it, but I'm going to touch it and maybe that will bring healing powers. Ye Cool Springs, very cool. Oh, horse poop, oh my God. I don't know how fresh does that horse poop look like. We know they've been here. You can see the buggy marks on the trail. Hello. You know what it means when a cow sits down? They're tired? No, it's gonna rain. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. See, the cow is sitting down over there, taking a break. I'm already hungry for Amish pie. Looking forward to it at the Amish market. Charlotte Hall is a well-preserved village. It's a small village, but it has some historic interest. There's some structures, and they were built in 18th and 19th century. Oh, back dog farm. Cool. So far, no sign of the Amish. I know they're around here. The poop detector determined that it's fresh. I am not the poop detector. Fresh poop. That is not me. It's fairly flat. So, paved pond. A private pond. All right, you know we're steep in American history when you see all these landmark signs. Like, well, we know one of the town was established in 1700. 19th. Oh, a UPS truck. Not a buggy. Not a buggy, but it looks kind of like a buggy. Oh, oh, that is really interesting. It's like a haunted, what, did you say haunted tree?
Yes, I said haunted tree.
I was just gonna steal that from you. Look at that haunted tree. It is. I see a horse and buggy. Oh, there's our horse and buggy right there.
Looking for an Amish market.
We need to get some pie. The trail is parallel to a major highway, and there are times that you can hear it, but most of the time it's very quiet and peaceful. We're very hesitant to tell you guys about it because we want to keep it all to ourselves. Yep. Okay, aren't you dying to know where we are? Where are we? We're in southern Maryland on the 3-Notch Trail. It's about a 12-mile trail.
11.
Oh, it's about 11-mile trail. And it used to be a railroad, so now it's a rail trail, so good for us. When you think of the Amish, you think of Lancaster, Pennsylvania, but there are several communities in southern Maryland, and that's where we are. Hope to see you riding!